In today's video, I want to show you how to turn off automatic download on Telegram. To turn off the automatic download on Telegram, this is how to do it. The first thing you want to do, you want to log into your Telegram. So let's log into my Telegram. So once you log into your Telegram, the next thing I want you to do here, if you check the bottom right corner, you're going to see the settings gear over there. I want you to tap on that settings gear. So once you tap on that settings gear, you want to scroll down a little bit and tap on data and storage. So let's tap on data and storage. So once you tap on data and storage, then on here you can see where it says automatic media download. Make sure you tap on cellular, using cellular. You make sure automatic auto download media is turned off. Then go back, go to using Wi-Fi. Make sure this is turned off also. So guys, this is how you can actually turn off automatic download on your Telegram account. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.